All right, my peeps, welcome back. Guys, I have some aloe vera in here. It was in the fridge for a long time, but I cut it out. So some aloe vera gel, and this is the this is the strong back. Look funny, guys. Oi, look there, guys. Hallelujah. And this is the baby maker. Guys, me too old for this now, all right? And so now we have some oats. I have about a cup of oats, but what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna pour some warm water over it so it can soak. I find when I eat the raw oats like that, guys, it bother my tummy. So when we put like a warm water on it, you know, kind of pre-cook or semi-cook it, break down all that stuff in there. Alright, so I'm gonna set this one side. I'm gonna add about a cup of almond milk, and I'm gonna put about 1/3 cup, alright, a few tablespoons. Well, oops, take up this, guys, don't make it waste. 1/3 to half cup of sea moss. About half cup, look at. Oh, over here, guys, I have some dragon. I'm not gonna put much. I'm gonna use half bottle. Okay, I'm not gonna put the whole one. You can put the whole one if you want. We're gonna use some almond lasco. You can use condensed milk if you like, but I'm staying on the vegan vegetarian side. I'm gonna use about 1/3 cup. And now we're ready for the oats. You see how it thick up, guys? Like it's semi-cooked, like, you see? And doing it like this, guys, also wait, let me put my hand away, so make it blend easily. The oats, you know, tough. Whoopsie. Just right. Before I do anything else, let me add some ground cinnamon. I'm gonna put about maybe half teaspoon. A cinnamon there or nutmeg? Guys, this one a nutmeg, okay? I'm going to put 2 times nutmeg. And now this is the cinnamon. Hungry, guys, hungry. I put a little bit, another 1/4 to half teaspoon. And then I got this from the Caribbean basket. It's called Mix Essence. Jamaican people know about it, alright? I'm gonna put a little bit. Use it sparingly. So about maybe 1/4 teaspoon, alright? Not put much. I'm gonna put like 2 teaspoons vanilla. Alright? And that's it. We're gonna blend away. Guys, my husband behind the camera. What do you have to say about this one? You not say anything?
Not yet. Not
yet? Okay, so not yet, guys. Alright, so put some ice. Guys, I'm just gonna add like 2 tablespoons brown sugar, alright? If you want it really sweet, you can add some condensed milk, alright? And we're just gonna blend away. Alright, so we're gonna blend. I didn't add any peanuts or anything this time to it, guys. Alright, next time we're gonna drink it just as is today. Alright guys, I'm gonna serve up some now. Alright, you can blend it more smoother if you want. Alright guys, 1 cube each. Oops, you don't have to put much ice. Alright, and this is the goodness, so we're gonna pour some. I want whole it, guys. Woo! Alright, and that's what we have more, guys. I don't know why I keep saying guys. It's just a habitual practice. That's what up, man. That's what up. That's what's up. Alright, just leave it at that. Alright guys, my son, see, I still say it. Alright my peeps, that's what's up. My son said leave the guys out. Alright, so this is it. And woo, so thick and nice. This is the Jamaican version strong back okra oat sponge. Alright, and sea moss gel. Alright guys, this is gonna build your body. Yeah, the dragon, you know, give it the oomph in the back. Alright guys, and this is it. Love upon me and I love upon you. Yeah, my husband, oh, you ready for it? Ready for the drink? Yeah. Alright guys, they said they're ready for it.
You should do like a poll.
A what?
A poll. How
What?
many times you say guys on one video?
I still saying it?
No, you said like 3 times before this video.
Oh my god, I don't know why I keep saying it. I maybe I gotta say my peeps now instead of that. Alright.
You gonna take it?
Yeah, you can take it. Taste it and tell me what you want before me leave. My son is gonna taste it. See me leave it off. Me not say it this time.
No, it tastes good.
It tastes good?
Yeah.
Smooth? Alright, my son say it tastes good and smooth. My husband, taste it. Let me hear. Give him some making taste. I'm here. You know want to something. Over here guys, I'm making some pumpkin soup. Ooh, hot. How is it?
Good.
It's good? Okay. One says smooth, one says it's good. Alright guys, one love. Bye.
Smooth and good.
Yeah, oh, this one is a vegan vegetarian one. Alright guys, if you can add some condensed milk, I'll make it, you know, anyhow you want, you know. So this is it. One love. Bye.